and so it because between Hasselfolk and Kumasi Asante Kotoko details no ye the Ghana Premier League no sisi a ye ko week bia ba Monday no na league table no and so etimi asesa enei Timbay ena eda atwede no and so esoro ni nyina ye bebrel na wo amanane no emba power tenasia for the first time in the history of Abrantia friend Hurricane ne carrier no wanya major trophy and so etimi agia ni nyina no powers ede latest no ebebro sabredie yen shase yen fan free efisem no enfama dia mama me the Ghana Premier League no results no na ye over the weekend matches are a so and as we can see no matches are a top form no ye ni won komo ye shase free and no Friday matches a course no mediama etna fie ehye kamiensa Emma Vision FC and so etimi ete ekanum bako and so ehonmo sanso na eye kwasiada matches no and so etwa so wodoma nana ajimai bedu first sports stadium no ade say tima ye friend Aduana Stars and so ehye ekamiensa Emma ade say tima yanon so ye friend no Brekum Chelsea omonso ete ekanim mienu Abrantia your friend Steven Amankona Abrantia no ekonya 2 goals and so ewo doma we can see Sansona Uramo and so ewo they say Young Apostles and the Baseke Holy Stars gamer and also etimi ebasona Baseke Holy Stars omonso Young Apostles echa omono ekamienua omonso entimi ante sa ekano honomo and afin so Nations FC eshe Accra Lions ekaba kwa omantimi ante Sadiq Al Hassan and enya go ne di momo Heart of Lions etrefie eshe mienu ema ti my friend Samates omonso entimi ante Bechem United eshe Legon Cities ekaba kwa omonso entimi ante and afin so no the biggest game and also eba so no Hasselfolk and Shebi Kumasi Asante Roko and Shebi na wo baby ni no Go Stars atia to say tem Go Stars and Shebi Karela United ekocha mo ekaba kwa omantimi anti Dreams FC ene enso atre game ne de enya de say etimi eba so enso ehonmo na after week 30 of the Ghana Premier League league table no say and akwaye Nations FC ewo 54 points omu lead league table no and so Heart of Lions abetoso mienu 53 points baby any Gold Stars etoso miensa omu 53 points Kumasi Asante Kotoko etoso bako and 9 omu 51 points Mediama etoso enum ensiano Hasselfolk and so Bechem United and wacheno FC Samates Dreams FC etoso enkro Brekum Chelsea etoso adese edu bako no ye Aduana Stars Young Apostles abetoso edu bieno and afen so edu miensano and so Baseke Holy Stars Vision FC etoso edu nine Karela United abetoso edunum and afen so teams echo relegation no Accra Lions etoso edunsia edunso no Legon Cities and afen so and so atreban etwato ewo Ghana Premier League ni mo and also ensema and also yedema ewo Ghana Premier League ni mo na yebo matches ni wie no ensem bebre and so etimi etofom yen chance yen fan free Hasselfolk any Asante Kotoko game no yewi akansie no coach Bubaka Watara on the head coach edema Hasselfolk or the ensem tuja or say on any players no and then the supporters nyina omuye disappointed with results Endra Ebai.
All of us we are disappointed for the results, but it's not bad. We are taking it like that. We can't say anything like this. We are coming to win. The opponent also coming to win. We play draw. I think it's enough for everybody.
And no, coach Bubaka Watara, head coach Edema Hasselfolk, and it is something to ya or say, or more prepare more and come over Berini pa. draw na ebaye no eye enough enso edema omo eno nso eye nsema coach Bubakar Watara head coach edema Hasselfolk enso editu 9:30 yede more voices from coach Bubakar Watara enso ebetibia bro na Asante Roko head coach akuta moko ise season ne beba na wiye eye coach Karim Abdozito ena ononso edi sem tuja edi kaino or say game na omo boy no the biggest game ever Ghana football.
With Hasselfolk, any result can come. They can draw, they can win. This is the biggest game in our country, and we cherish it most. Even though I squandered a lot of chances, we should have. To me, if the game will be honest with us, we should have won because we spelled. He also had a chance, but ours was plenty more than his. Yeah. So at the end of the day, you playing draw across the folk, I think it's a defeat.
You are very confident before.
Eno coach Karim Zito ene sansem no enso etuja ose football nkano kre na se football kano kre padia endra chances are omuketi ye no na edoso chen Hasselfolk de ni bebre enti ye petima na ye se kotimi gi all the 3 maximum pointer na ye Kumase Asante Roko owie na Karim Zito esan edituja se omubai se omuba be shegu.
We came in to score. We did everything. We created chances. We were not focused. So that was my problem. But if you look at the chances we squandered, we have won this game. But it's better than losing. So I'm okay.
Enti draw no eyese ube lusu enso ewodomo eno eye Abdul Karim Zito ene de sansem etuja na mumame Asante Roko fans no any players no after the game no baba ya mo na omne supporters no enso chichichamfonyini we Justice Blade the supporters edin komosa no enso ebra omo kwa join team bus no baba ya enso ena ejina ona one eye fans no echicha pictures no baba ya the last 2 games for Kumasi Asante Roko no abrante no enya super performance enso ma Karim Zito ba edie baba ya na yenim no wasan so etimi ababak eno ensema ye bochie de amount na Eric Donko or former captain enso edema Kumasi Asante Roko or ya tuja on low attendance yenyan ewo game nim.
I say football loving fans no. I'm saying the turnout or stadiums no encouraging. I know say we are trying to get there, but whatever the case no, Mr. Ramo, we should support our team. We should go to the stadiums to support our clubs. This is an avenue, and I said, the way I climb so teams no able to me the in this car they are supporting, and I said.
Eno Eric Donko former captain Edema Kumasi Asante Roko and at the Sansam ni tuja say we supporters in Moko Stadium and teams enyeska edi abo mo bra entino osirema say eya monso mon patronize Ghana football no and offense Ghana Premier League no and also ewo hono na yenremo enso ewo abrankese na yenin komo kakra enfemfri coach Kasim Mengel Okanse this year they oye coach of the movement they say ono ena eda league ni soro na endra onya win over Accra Lions 1-0 and omushe owie no ensem say and the tuja.
This game no Accra Lions are battling for relegation. So when it was some motivation that they think when they win this match they can survive the league. So they came all out to play. You know they are a very good side. Beating Kotogo, beating most of them. But you know, they keep the ball. We also keep the ball. So we force them. Now they kicking the long balls. And their style of play, they are not used to it. So our defenders too were comfortable with it. You see, so they couldn't play the way they've been playing against other teams. We did not allow them to play. So we forced them to be kicking the long balls. Because they have speedsters up front, our defenders do have the speed. So they were able to contain them. And we, because we were keeping the ball, and our attackers who were very sharp, they were giving their defenders.
Eno head coach at the Nations FC Kasim Mingo Okanse and at the San 72 Josie Accra Lions for no Omunimbo bo and our friends omo battle for relegation tino Endra omu chance ama mobono said the omo peno na Rena Craft head coach at the Accra Lions on also game the banner no and some say and all the two.
It was first of all congrats to Nations FC for the win, to my coach colleague. It was the expected tough game. I told my team before that a better defense will win this game, and we didn't create much goal chances today, but most of the time we defended very well. But that one time we couldn't block a shot, and
no head coach at the Accra Lions Rena Craft and at the San Semno Etuja na Sadiq Al Hassan and on the Nyagono at the Nations FC or check him how it feels to win the Ghana Premier League. Unim said 2016 on they say on also a champion our Ghana has say intino or was her experience and na or check him say.
Yeah, I'm a Premier League winner with Wow Stars. So I know how it is to be crowned Premier League winner, and then some of them are, you know, pushing to win it for the first time. So those of us who have the experience of winning the Premier League, sometimes the conversation we have is, for them to just push and have a taste of it. I think when Midiama won, they had the opportunity to travel. Summertex won the league. We saw how, it went for them. Everybody was so. We all saw it, and then we've been talking. For you to have that feeling, unless you get your hands on the trophy, that is when you feel that, yeah, I'm on top of the game. And then, we've been talking. So we are prepared.
Enti eno Sadiq Al Hassan and ononso Chechemo Ebra Onewa All Stars Ghana Premier League way back 2016. And other San Semino and so Tujano, they said 9:30 the more. Ebebra, you remo, baby any now so baby any Gold Stars and Romotinefie, Emma Karila United, Ekochamo, Ekabakwa, Omontimiante, assistant coach, Gordon Ablode, Eden Semkaka Tuja, na Eddie Kaino, Ablode said results na Ebaino. Very difficult to take.
It is very difficult to take this defeat, but this is football, and it happens. There are three things: whether you lose, you win, or you draw. And today, being the first time we've lost at our home dance park, and it is very painful. But we are not.
Enti football no no mami ensa ene wom na mom no enkuguo dia no ene ba ya fa ebra edi kan Yelusu enso ewo fie nie eno Gordon Ablode ene de San Semino ento etuja na head coach Adema Karila United ono ene sanso ye defending champion enso wonim say last season coach Nuruddin Amadou on de Samates Ghana Premier League no sisia or hese ode Karila enso ebetumi survival relegation ono so after the game say eno kai
dogs was they are gunning for the league. So last week we lost at home, so we started the match. As underdogs were the same, I was able to sign the boys so let them know that they should do their best. Even if we lose, we are losing to a team that is gunning for what? The Ghana Premier League Championship. So we just have to be technical and disciplined and just try to play our game. That's exactly what they did. So.
Enti eno coach Nuruddin Amadou, head coach Edema Karila United, and at the San Semino, and so Tujana Mumame under 20. Ghana national under 20 team no and omonso ejina akono ewo Egypt montene so under 20 African Cup of Nations koso no enti we Jerry Free and ninuamo a ene omo ye poised for action esan say omo ne Senegal and so air boy first game ye ni DR Congo obia ehye ne nyonko ekaba ko and so honmenti ene no ye tena say ewo 9:30 full time ne so a ye the more and so ebetimi abraw na me sorry na powers area konkofo nkroso de miame mame made nyina ma course who adansi akro from ene ye 62nd birthday ti Marcos mama ma awoda pakese pa nyame nhira papa powers ade ache bia
ade ache asen ya sanso abebi e be di pa
Hurricane Nyachi in the first major trophy.
First time. It been see that. You be doing come on.
When I have a catch and say, Nicholas and Pamu Bambu.
Oh, sure. When we are winning the Albania. So when we are winning the Albania. Enti yankonko from Crusoe na yending komo kakra me pato MCR from Y na yenhwe Premier League in March 35 EPL ne yending komo when me serve at Bobo Kono shetu me sweet Bobo Kono enso ate kan no run the no Beto Gomez do run first Beto on na first goal no edema Everton Bobo Kono womra Dwight Aye McNeil on some second goal de my club no me pato Helio and Siso and afi George Hist wo mo she 2 goals edema Eastwood Town Aston Villa as a woman full of Bobo Kono Tumante and my rain fisa Euro Telema on the the only goal game in Arsenal at the film Bournemouth ebe try mu 2-1 Ese Arsenal no aya say ade na ekosi asa no ma ye jegu dia ma the Ghana's Bobo Kono me pato Declan Rice ball first goal and watching aye Dean Hussein she goal and a few Francisco Evan Nielsen aye Barbosa also making it 2 at my Bournemouth when my Leicester City SH2 na Southampton Bobo Kono into bi no when you say Jamie Vardy and Ogran Danny Jordan are you Ghana ni no when SH2 goals at my Leicester City Bobo Kono when my Brentford at na Fisher 4 and my Manchester United etimu miensa and my referee game no Gratani Danny Luke Shaw she go and watching Kevin Shedd she go and watching Joan Ayewesa among they making a F4 and my Brentford team no na Mason Mount and Alejandro Ganacho and Amad Diallo wamonso atimu miensa at the United club no me part of Brighton Bobo Kono SL1 and Newcastle United Bobo Kono and so take no game no Kopai ekokwe 1-1 me fan to enemy West Ham United SL1 and my Tottenham Hotspur Bobo Kono and so take no ekokwe 1-1 Chelsea SL3 and Liverpool atimu Parko and so Fernandez as a 1 goal. Gerald Quansam and such a goal. We're not called Palmer and making 3. And the Chelsea, Liverpool, Etimu Bakon, Virgil van Dijk with a super header, and so Etimu Bakon at my club and no, I had the free Premier League in Monsaipa, and now no penny Augustin on Samano, at the mere tier 4, and more real fish and Yamia Dumanete, and a crystal polish, and not now force I can send Smith Mabasso, or penalty at the anti Madley, on the opponent saying Yamia Dumanete, no, on Jakem Shana Bibiasono, and from Anya Kama, and so our one Sabet Tony. 9:30 na dia ka chenu so tuma ba Premier League no ye nimisa Liverpool at league long ago na me patch over the weekend no ye the god of an so ye hwe aye Premier League table no we nimisa Liverpool at 2 points also Bobo Kono and so sister 7 Manchester City was sister Manchester City I was sister 4 Newcastle I was sister 3 Chelsea Bobo Kono and so was sister 4 do one did Arsenal dia mo yen so no one share Newcastle Man City ni Chelsea when betuma samu na ye e chance o last social table na when Mr Arsenal was sister 7 points between Arsenal Tosumi no and the Chelsea Tosu 5 no I just 3 points and that one and no Aye dia no se fru so totwa ene dia no pa yerugu sia de honsam no ade me etefo so we so na me fanto enimi se bobo kwaneten at Manchester United when say United atosu 15 o mo san so ate abomachi baako e Premier League table no so with 39 points top scorers Mo Salah as 28 goals Alexander Isak as 23 goals and Lee Haaland as 21 goals but some aye Premier League no me fanto enimi se top assist and so Ekwadima Mo Salah on also currently aye top scorer of Premier League and so more and aye dia to Janete and you go so I don't some out on adepa na bibia so to my come join here I was Sompa 93 aye panwa Facebook and so na yendin komo yenko La Liga yenko nkotin komo kakra awo La Liga no so mo when me Sevilla Bobo Kono 4 Osasuna atimu miero Ayosi Perez Mamadou Ebari and afi Nicolas Pepe wamon and I said four no and my via Rebobo Kono were now Rubin Garcia and Ima Rose were monsom I say Emino and Demo Sasuna me fanto and Mr. Deportivo Alaves and Atletico Madrid came in the pie Obian Tuman Tottenham when them say Revelatolid at the field Bossa Ecobomu 2-1 the tennis crowd anything at the Ivan Sanchez on the first goal now so Rafinha and the Femi Lopez and some other making it 2 at my Bassa Bobo Kono you Las Palmas certifié wa mo se 2 ma Valente Bobo Kono and so she 3 Real Madrid and 3 ama Celta Vigo Bobo Kon and some atimu mieno na the tens Adagula on as a 1 goal Kylian Mbappe as a 2 at Real Madrid wa no Xavi Rodriguez and a few Willots Swedberg wa mo enso as a 2 at Celta Vigo Bobo Kono me fanto and so Sevilla as a 2 ama Deportivo Leganes wa mo so take on akwakuya 2-2 me pa so mama aya La Liga table no e won so aye keenly contested Barca still leading with 79 points. Real Madrid tosumino one more 75. Atletico Madrid was 67. Bilbao and some anay one more 61 points. And see a dear few also tocha and that Yano Paniago so yate and somehow to Adepa never just so to my come enter your better room. Our forensic stories you know near to me dear Baba Yanko Aya Bundesliga. Menkodin komo kakra eho wote sha intro no ola etenwo trel se oko Bundesliga na ya dia bobo kwa tene pan ache na yenwa Hurricane for the first time acha se oje ayam major trophy Bundesliga Benjamin Sesko say goal and watching Lucas Klosterman as a goal. Remember you see Paulson one more as 3 Edmund Leipzig buying 3 goals no every Eric Dyer and watching Michael Olise and of course Leroy Sunny one more and about 3 no and so the Bavarian Giant and as we come on through upper and that they are no Paniago sharing some no at the MT4 so we so Dortmund 4 I'm a football Bobo Kono and so to Mantemubi Seu Gurasu with 2 goals Karim Madeyemi and so 2 goals means 0-5-1 Antoine Frankfurt 1 Jonathan Aye Bukas Seko no Natural Rosmos Aye Christensen and so Seko Adama Frankfurt team no and aye Detota already Bayern aye runaway league winners with 76 points Leverkusen I got 68 points Bobo Kwan Frankfurt and so 56 points Fred Bobo Kono I was 52 points Dortmund I was 51 points Leipzig and so I got 50 points interestingly Mamuko Fikesemono over the weekend Bundesliga and Senoma Bebre na Ola Unimsa free the first team Bayern at the BBC the 17 aye men's 5 no obian what me win here teams no first to 7 position women aye draw and then of course a defeat and then certainly course with the exception of Dortmund Bobo Kona Mose 4 against Wolfsburg team no and so ya dear total and that Diano Panego said in some no and some Adibano Bibia so to my come Italian Syria will be set Torino se woman Verona Tecano a Coquia 1-1 and watching Inter Milan as a woman I am Kievo Verona Wamos Antoine Tecano or Granite Adi Christian Salani on the Sego Edma Inter Bobo Kono Napoli Kwawe against Lecce Kwasha 1-0 eye Giancomo Raspadori on the second Roma se 1 Fiorentina 2 Kano and watching Bologna and Juve and so to 10 pie a Coquia 1-1 and we are to 10 no Minfanto Obian Mr. Napoli Bobo Kono and then one more still leading 77 points Inter Milan Bobo Kono and so 74 Minfanto and Mr. Atalanta Bergamo I was 68 points Juve I was 63 Roma was 63 Roma Lazio Bobo Kono and so I was 63 now me patch the tennis Milan toss 9 54 points and watching top scorers no Matteo Ritigi as 24 goals Moise King and so as 17 goals Wamna Adimola Lukman as 14 goals and no and somebody be so from so total and that day no Paniago so yet and one summer who 29 and so to me a tier 4 I go to better Casapawe so afi mun somewhere MC a hall now a few stories no and so and to also kama a sunset and then suddenly ho the part of your 10 year some our Premier League na over the weekend and some bebre echo so na Chelsea Boboku womra wo winning against Liverpool no memfanto obianim say according to run the thing or the Cole Palmer saying the best player for Chelsea this season. Ogranite and so Moses Caicedo, according to Ogranite Kopama, Nesmo the Tuta and so Oguswa. Yet would want some adepa. I was Sompa a television so now Shagard of Fana Cosono win himself for the first time. A B Asensi win himself 2015 the same month May. Liverpool a guard of honor at the Martimanity and so the Chelsea and they a story assassin after 10 years now me fan to obi anim se and they Bobo Quanity and so at the Liverpool and Chelsea a guard of honor and so to me diamamo na yade enika no yade tota and na dia no panego so yata ehon sama hoton ade pane bibia so to my kama me patro mami akra ne tin and so at the brand aye emboemo na mintin hu komo kakra we dem se wo ko aye top 5 major European League now the 10 year and this Bobo Quantity at the Barcelona more producing 3 players and we involved in 10 plus goals and watching Bayern and so Shatiano and of course Bobo Quantity and so at the where Brentford almost Shatiano and across the top 5 major European leagues these are clubs Wamukra 3 different players Wamo and so 10 plus goals and so and total now Manchester United and Ekoswa United and Norma and Southern Far and from the Theatre of Dream Old Trafford and outfit Bobo Kuno the part of the 10 year and it's also United Europa League after say a one focus in our war and one the attention and the aggression in our Europa League shall resource Manchester Eco Europa League na wo mu wie abebo dia France Premier League na to mo nsem against Lyon na United as of 5-4 17th of April and watching 20th of April no Wolverhampton about so mu 1-0 don't forget against Bilbao United ekoso mu 3-0 and ra wo mu eto na Brentford asambe so mo say lost 6 games no United 6 games without win. They are sitting on the 15th position and non ayadiano so free also total no na and non an coach and tell Ruben Amorim or said this is unacceptable. We are not ready to play in the Premier League. Be competitive and ayo coach and so somebody to try and then you so I don't somehow tono at me for me part of I'm sure Emma Jamie Vardy Subambi alternative over the weekend. Now Orlando when you say one more booking now less LED but pressure na net Leicester City so na no day referee teto ye no say Jimmy Vardy na nkasa kwadi abe no pre Japan tam na so essence referee no twentwen so and some bebre na course over the weekend yamanya adoma 9:30 yet na Austria stories more e wechira ye de baba besum yetie for 9:30 full time timini na no e betena say.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Here's Kwame and Yao. After hours of planning, both have locked in the same perfect multi-bet. Big win for United, over 1.5. And both teams to score in the London Derby. But who could have picked Leicester over City? Or a high-scoring game at the Bridge? There's nothing worse than having your perfect multi-bet missing. But there's nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Win, even if your bet misses.
21st Clinic yes sciatica expert. Sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye. Na no na 21st Clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma je ne wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa. Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkoa womu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a woma gidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade Ghana ha baby a womu ho 0540 311 311 311 0540 311 311. There's a 21st clinic. One way sciatica expert.
Auntie, Mammy for 20 Ghana. Me pay for phone and quine qua. Cecilia, send your Ghana Conedia, your bonus 010. Meme one nuni, telecell dear. You so be an your pay. And nothing I made for me bundle. Your data and call packages are F4. Nia Mawonkwa. Made for me bundles. Send you we need your home. But *530# not top made for me bundles. Says